Xbox Game Pass announces Hidden Gems of October 2024. Xbox Game Pass continues to impress with its diverse lineup of games, and October 2024 is no exception. While this month may not have as many day one launches, it's bringing some highly acclaimed indie games to Xbox consoles, personal computer, and the cloud. Last month's lineup was packed with high-profile releases such as Age of Mythology, Retold, and Frostpunk 2. Xbox Game Pass is going to change the spotlight on indie games that deserve much more attention. Open Roads. You can enjoy on Xbox Game Pass by exploring the Open Roads, a narrative-driven walking simulator with Tess and her mother Opal on an open road trip of self-discovery while wrapping their family's past. Enjoy it, together with hand-drawn cutscenes, stellar voice acting from Caitlin Dever and Kerry Russell, and an intriguing story. Saifu. In the third-person view, Saifu is like a Souls-like action game intertwined with fast-paced beat-em-up action. Slowclap took the expertise it honed in making Absolver to make an addictive experience. Saifu has its stylized art direction, amplifying frenzied fights, adding levels of challenge to replay value. Inscription. Inscription is a roguelike deck builder horror game arriving on October 10th. It's a card game with the aesthetic of found footage, difficult boss encounters, and creepy imagery. This is a good thing, considering that Xbox Game Pass lacks horror games for this spooky season. Xbox Game Pass October can't be such a show-off, but its quality indie games turn out to be excellent hidden treasures. Most of them promise some unique experiences and will keep you fully captivated and challenged in different ways.